How many times you've been in a trade and got out of the trade too soon and left money on the table and said to yourself, why didn't I stay in that longer? Or why did I put such a close stop on it so I didn't allow the equity to breathe and I got stopped out prematurely and left a lot of money on the table? Or how many times you said, well, I'm going to set an arbitrary point where if it goes that high, I'll get out of the trade. And then you wondered, why didn't I stay in it longer? Why didn't I make more profit on this particular move? You can avoid all those problems if you use the triangle trend package of indicators. Now this is one of the indicators and the main indicator in the package, and this is called triangle trend. What this does is when an equity starts to trend, this triangle starts to form, and the equity moves along the hypotenuse of the triangle right in through here. And this is a 3 range bar chart on NinjaTrader, and each bar contains 0.75 points of data. As the trend progresses, it moves right along this hypotenuse. Now if we put the crosshairs on one of the bars, we can see on the left here in that plot 1 in the green, to the right of the green window, we can see in this case here 1202.88. And if we subtract 0.75, which is the height of each bar, from the 1202.88, which is the level of the hypotenuse of the triangle right at this point, we can put a trailing stop then at 1202.13, and this will keep us as close as humanly possible to the equity, yet leave the equity room to breathe and keep us from getting stopped out prematurely on this very nice trend right in through here. Now even up in here, where the bar considerably goes below the hypotenuse of the triangle, and the level of the hypotenuse here is 1205.80. If you subtract 0.75 from that, you get 1205.05, and you can see that is below any of the numbers that the equity met on this data box on that particular time slot. So even here we would not have gotten stopped out. Over to the right here, the indicator determined that the trend was coming to an end here. When it does that, it completes the final leg of the triangle, which you can see in this magenta bar right here. That's done in real time and is done by the software, and you would have gotten out of the trade right in here at the very top of the trend. If you have an interest in this indicator and other indicators in the package, please visit my website at ninjaindicatorsforyou.com.